Mommy, what you doing? What you do?
Some fish, you know. I cook fish in Chinese style.
No, so why you have newspaper on the ground?
No, I have to put that when the fish fry, the oil fly out of the pot and what's on the teller. So I fry the fish out. Because when the window open, the breeze will blow the thing.
Yo, I care about that with the word every day. Hey, watch out. Watch out. What is now? What is?
The Chinese black bean, Chinese bean curd, Chinese pickled ham choy, and scallion, ginger, and garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper.
Who the hell put newspaper on the ground for cook? What?
What going on now?
Not a thing, boy.
You know them think you're AI.
True.
You know what AI is?
The artificial advice.
Artificial intelligence.
Intelligence.
What you said the AI be?
Artificial idiot.
But tell them say you're born in Jamaica.
Me born in Jamaica,
Yeah?
lady of the soil in Hampshire.
Yeah?
One little place in the country near Hampshire, me born.
You know,
Conkers. At 77 years, me dep on hurt right now.
That is it.
Right. So me not gonna women, me a Jamaican. Son of the soil, daughter of the soil.
You what?
Jamaican, daughter of the soil.
And remember, you can't forget God, you know.
Forget God, how me forget God? Jesus is Lord of all.
That is it.
You hear me? So hold on by that.
That is it. You know, me helping me and you can do video together. Don't it?
Of course.
Far me you come from, you know.
Of course it is.
That is it, man.
Long time round.
Round and round and round.
Yes, sir.
Alright, big up yourself.
Big up yourself too.
Guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, share to my channel. Today I want to see the way the Jamaican language, patois language, is being enjoyed with the Chinese who were born in Jamaica, and I need you to see the way they are really pronouncing it in a good way. They are really enjoying it. See this compilation of video and I'll be back with more comments.
Man, talk again.
Big up.
I got the blood clean.
I am born.
Are you man?
Yeah, man, that's what I'm born, man.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accent so lock put on for yourself.
But they're on the right people, them.
Oh, okay. So you like, don't you?
I'm a place there, you know.
I am born.
Chinese Jamaican Pops with his story.
Yeah. I'm glad to take it off, you know, because when me not go race, you know, my car that blow off the color, you know.
Hey, what a wicked man, man. Hey, how you stay so? Hey, you say?
Yeah. Hey, so you're lucky. Me no mind you take off the color because, you know, me not save you all that money because
come off anyway.
me not blow it off with my car.
Hey, sir, you used to have sound system back in it.
When me have my set, you know. Yeah. Me make Rasta man dance soca, you know.
Back in the day.
Yeah. Believe. First Macintosh I have. Yeah, man. Rasta man. You don't make Rasta man dance soca enough when me have to keep down. So me are not ordinary man. Believe.
What a lucky thing say with the America look green card. Mommy, what would have happened if they send me back to China?
Who not dead?
Alright, mommy, some people are confused when you said you're Jamaican but full Chinese. Can you clarify for them?
Alright, don't be confused. Alright, I'm Jamaican full stop. But my parents were born in China, so I am Chinese and full Chinese, no mix.
That's all my father them when they wake up themselves. Yeah. Joe sing good morning.
How here?
And then say Shak Chow is breakfast.
Breakfast.
Me not know no more Chinese language, period. Anybody want to say me know it? Yes, me know it, but me not talking it. I know what I know. When she got China, she know not much either.
Talk to him again.
He ain't trying then.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, bye.
When you come, yeah, give me about 100k price, yeah? Based on that 30k, give me 100k price, yeah? Bombakla. Yeah, we feel like the same bill, yeah? Okay, same meanwhile, okay? Alright, me Ras. So me don't see no tongue come. How be the tongue there? The come back and me tongue there. Pussy what bomb back there. Alright. Just find them character and go find a plate of them and pussy what.
And me I forgot to drop in the $100. And me
I'm gonna show you weakness.
yeah, can you tell me the last Monday I get it for a different price?
Oh no. Hello, what is that?
Ministry of Education, I have a bone to pick with you. Why are so many Jamaicans ignorant of their own history? Why so much dunce people in my comment section? Oh my God, people, stop it. The Jamaican accent is not an African dialect. The Jamaican accent, like everything associated with modern Jamaican heritage, is in fact the byproduct of the cultural melting pot that our motto embraces. In fact, in terms of cadence, it's most similar to an Irish accent.
I've been shook enough now, to be honest, since the racing. A bit tired now and the legs are like jelly, but yeah, I suppose we did a bit of celebrating and did the podium thing and got to put on the podium pants as well.
You see, as early as 1656, Oliver Cromwell ordered 2,000 Irish children to be taken to Jamaica and sold to English settlers. The extent of Irish immigration to Jamaica was so prolific in the centuries to follow that 25% of Jamaican citizens can claim Irish ancestry, and this includes Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey. So if you never know, now you know. Again, out of many, one people.
That's how we eat dinner.
Right, whole John, that means Tata.
Yes.
And Josie is morning. That's all my father then when they wake up themselves.
Yeah.
Josie, good morning.
Oh yeah?
And then say Shaq Chow is breakfast.
It's breakfast.
Me not know no more Chinese answers, period. Anybody want to say me know it? Yes, me know it, but me not talking it. I know what I know. When she got China, she know not much either.
Talk to him again.
Him chime in.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You should drink tea.
Okay, bye.
What a lucky thing say with the America look green card. Mommy, what would have happened if they send me back to China?
We're not dead.
Yeah.
My grandmother, if you're ever sick, you get herb tea.
What part of Jamaica are you from?
Matilda's corner, Ligini.
I was born on Lady Musgrave Road, 33 Lady Musgrave Road.
What parish is that
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew.
Trelawney.
Port Antonio.
Depends on where both St. Thomas and Kingston.
Kingston. Same Kingston. Port Morant, St. Thomas.
Warren Beer. Where the revolution happened, right? Paul Bogle. I remember, so, we're bad,
Kingston.
I'm from Moby.
I'm from Todd's Road, Trinidad.
Good afternoon from beautiful rural Portland, Jamaica. May want to introduce myself today because, nothing wrong. Somebody comment on me post that me is a sex tourist, and me just really want to address that. Me understand the stereotype. Me see where it comes from because me see so many women and men, but mostly me see women to come to Jamaica just for use the young boy them. And me not like them something there. Me never like that. So me really learn about Jamaica through the music of Peter Tosh, Bob Marley, the Wailers back in the day. In fact, me was at the last concert Bob Marley ever gave in Toronto, Maple Leaf Gardens, before him dead. And really, me could say that reggae music really brought Jamaica to the world. For so many of us, me grew up in Canada, Northern Canada. Me was a teacher, and me come to Jamaica in my 20s and taught school here in Port Antonio, Portland at Titchfield High School. Me teach art and English. And we still have contact with some of my former students and even former students who became teachers. Wonderful experience that changed my life. So me always say when me retire, sorry, my dogs are barking now. We have 4 dogs them, me love dog. That's another video. Anyway, me always loved Jamaica for so many years. From what, 1983, me start coming to Jamaica, over 40 years now. Me live at Jamaica, taught school, and retire, became a resident of Jamaica 5 years ago. So 2018, me actually sell everything in Canada and move to Jamaica for me retirement. And me just love the life. Me have a Jamaican husband down here. We get along great. Him not really want to live in Canada. We just love our life here. And me, now that me is in my late 60s, me want to make a difference. Me love the culture. Me want to make people all over the world know how beautiful Jamaica is, the culture, the people. And me want to leave a legacy, you know, to really make people understand Patois is a beautiful language, nothing to be ashamed of. To have dark skin is beautiful, nothing to be ashamed of, you know. Me have already raised 3 mixed race children. Them father, me 2 sons, them have a father who's Jamaican, and my daughter's father is from Ghana. So through raising me children, me pick me a Canada, there's a whole heap of racism there, and my art breaks over that. And in Jamaica, there's classism and colorism, so there is a kind of racism here too. And we really, really see it, and we feel it for the people them, and we want to express them something there, and we want the people who come visit to know how to behave and how to respect the Jamaican people them, and not just use the black bodies for your sexual enjoyment or whatever. That is very disgusting. And me not support them something there at all. Me just want people to do, you know, like as the Rastafari say, like love and respect. There's nothing wrong with getting to know one another and so on, but just have some respect, you know. Me not a grandmother yet, but me could easily be a grandmother to a lot of these boys who try to talk to me in the street, and me just tell them, say, look now, you not talk to your granny like that, so not talk to me. Call me auntie. If you call me auntie or mama, me feel nice, you know. It's like a little respect. Me not really want any of that other kind of attention at all. No, sir. So, me really start this TikTok if you try to preserve one property called Folly Estate. Is a 8-acre property right on the sea in Port Antonio, and it connected to the Folly ruins. Right in the backyard is Folly ruins. So me will give you some more video about that next time, but right now me I'll tell you say that me start the TikTok to try to get out the information to people, to Jamaican people, that they must sell off your country, you know, they must sell off all the beach them, the river them, the nice properties. And Folly Estate Cottage, it's a historic building that still exists, it's still standing, and that property should become a museum for the people of Jamaica and the world and Portland. It shouldn't sell off or give to them politicians' friends and so on and so forth. So that my purpose to start the TikTok, and me say at 2024 me going to learn Patois proper. So me apologize if me not get the words right, but me I try as respect, man, total respect for Jamaican language, Jamaican people, Jamaican culture. Blessed love, one love.
Hello guys, I believe that you're seeing the way that we have the Chinese who are really a Jamaican people, and they are really proud, and they are really speaking a very fluent Jamaican Patois language. And that's to see the way they're doing the things, the way they are saying the things, oh, like Jaguar, like the way they're expressing their happiness and everything that they're doing at Jamaica, and they're very happy to be called the Chinese Jamaican. So not all the people who are staying in Jamaica, they are just visitors, or they came to see the nature, or they came to do their other businesses ideas. No, some are being born from Jamaican, and they're really proud to be called Jamaican Chinese. And that's the reason why we have to allow other people from other countries to come and enjoy our country also. Not only doing businesses or having the job opportunities, but also making their own families at our own country, and also learning from them the way they do their own things and their own businesses. Because you see the way the Jamaicans are learning from the Chinese, the way they are doing their businesses, the way they are doing their own constructions. They're giving out the project, and after giving out the project, they follow up until it's finished. And when you see the project that they gave out, it's really amazing, and it's really encouraging and motivating a lot. So that's why you see, we have to live as one. That's why you see they always say that we promote one love, and that's really what is happening at Jamaica. And also the way they are expressing, and the way they are enjoying their music. You see the way they say that we are promoting what Bob Marley did for us. What did Bob Marley did? He gave out some songs that until now it's being heard with Jamaicans, and they're really proud of their people. We have a lot of people that you can learn from them, and that's why they are saying that we need to promote one love, we need to promote peace, we need to promote that unity. And that's the amazing thing that we should do as all countries, and stop doing things that are not worthy it. When it comes to the culture of the Jamaicans, you see the Chinese are very much interested in it, because it's really amazing, and it really favors everyone. It doesn't choose whether you are a Jamaican or not. It really favors everyone. And that's why you see that we also need to join them and do what they are doing. When it comes to athletics, they have people who do their best, and they always win, and that makes them to be more famous. In Caribbean, when you meet with a Caribbean, when somebody tells you, I'm a Caribbean, the only thing that runs in your mind is, he or she is a Jamaican. And for real, it's really the best thing ever. It's really amazing, and I wish and I hope one day I'll visit Jamaica, because it's the best place and the best country to be. A Caribbean country that motivates unity, motivates love, everything that they're doing, one love. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.